Hi everyone, welcome to my page. Today is May 30th, 2020. Today's mental health awareness information comes from Mental Health America. An eating disorder such as anorexia, bulimia, or binge eating is considered a serious medical and psychiatric illness. Anorexia is when a person basically eats nothing or very limited amount of calories, maybe a couple hundred calories a day to sustain their food. Bulimia is when a person is trying to purge their food, whether it's by throwing up or in other methods. And then binge eating is when you're just stuffing your face nonstop. These conditions are considered biopsychosocial diseases. It is not a lifestyle choice. It is not a fad or a phase. It is something that somebody really does struggle with. I can tell you that I struggled with anorexia and bulimia when I was a teenager, and it has lasted impact on my entire life. Here I am 25 years later, and I'm still dealing with some physical complications from binging, and I probably still struggle with the way I view my body based on what I went through with the eating disorders. I suffered from anorexia and bulimia, and I can tell you that it was not something that I chose, and it was really something that at that time when I was dealing with it, it was really kind of a way to have some kind of control in my life with everything that was going on at that time. I was dealing with an abusive relationship, although I did not understand that it was an abusive relationship at that time. My mother was pretty sick, and my friends had went away to college, and I ended up staying home. So life was just really hectic and overwhelming for me as a teenager, and that was how I coped with it at that time, was trying to control anything I could, and obviously controlling my food intake was one way to have some kind of sense of control in my life at that particular time. I had no idea how this would have impacted my life so many years later. It was not even a thought in my mind. I am definitely at a healthy spot in life, but I do still have some lasting impacts from the choices I made when I was young. Hopefully this information helps somebody out there. If you feel that you may have an eating disorder, definitely try and reach out and speak to a loved one or a professional and try and seek out treatment.